Are you ready for another math riddle? Here's another one. Mr. and Mrs. Nonagon have 6 boys. Each boy has one sister. Can you count how many people there are in the family? You have 15 seconds. Begin. The Nonagons actually make a family of 9 people. Let's count together. There are 6 boys. Each boy has one sister, which makes it plus 1 person, because it's the same sister for each boy. And finally, the parents. So that makes 9 people. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.